How to use Instagram Reel as a template. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can use a specific Instagram Reel video as a template, so you can also add pictures to it and then make your own video. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what you have to do is open up Instagram. Now keep in mind that not all Instagram Reel video are actually eligible for a template. Only some of the videos that was designed for template purposes is eligible for a template. For example, this video or this reel right over here is also can be used as a template. And if you want to use this video and add your own videos within this template, what you have to do is to open up this reel first of all, and then tap on the three vertical dot icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three vertical dots, here you'll find the plus button that says use as template. So just go ahead and tap on the use as template button. As you select the option called use as template, you can see a number of videos and a plus icons where we can add our own media. So just go ahead and tap on the add media button and just select your own videos and photos that you might want to add to this template. So I'll just go ahead and select random ones. Now I'm just showing it to show you guys, but I'm not really actually making this video. So just tap on the next button after you select your media. And now you can see the template will be loaded with our videos. Now it may take some time to process and render the video, but as you can see, all of the videos are going to be loaded in the template format, and you can just tap on the next button to follow and make other changes depending upon whatever you want to customize. And that's all it takes to use a Instagram Reel as a template. So again, I revise it to you that you cannot use all video as template, only some of the ones that was made for the template purpose. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.